Hello everybody, this is the Russian Fazbear, and what you are looking at on your screen right now is a 52-inch Moss WF series in polished brass with, I think, walnut or oak blades with cane on them, just plain on the other side. Obviously it's a top-mounted spinner. There's your canopy up to the top of the fan. It's mounted a little weirdly, but it still works. So GE vents with a tassel pull chain, which looks pretty nice. I got the ceiling fan from Habitat for I think $25. Along with an antique brass Delta 2. This fan looks really nice. Very stylish and unique looking, as it's a top-mounted spinner. However, it does spin kind of slowly. I don't know if that's like the norm for Moss WF series, or if mine maybe has like a bad capacitor or something. You'll see what I mean when I demonstrate the fan, but I mean, it blows good air and it looks really nice, but yeah, it does spin slowly for whatever reason. Guess I'll demonstrate it. Start with low. Yeah, it's a fly buzzing around my head. I don't know if the camera's picking up on the flies buzzing, but I apologize about that. Low speed isn't that slow. Low looks pretty normal. It's like that nice Hunter Original or Casablanca low speed. It's pretty nice. Now for medium. It does wobble a little due to the way it's mounted. High is mainly the speed that I feel like it spins slowly on. Low and medium aren't too bad. I mean, yeah, medium is fine, I'd say. High is really the speed where it draws a little bit of concern, but again, it might just be, these fans just might be slow spinners, so no pun intended. It is blowing really good air though. And honestly, this brass could be a little shinier in some spots, but it is still pretty nice. Like, you can see my reflection and stuff. Okay, here's high. And camera won't focus. There we go. Yeah, I'd say it's only going about maybe 90 RPM. That's just a rough estimate. I haven't actually measured the RPM, but 90 to 100 maybe. But it is blowing good air. Almost no noise either. I can hear a little hum, but that's about all. Turn it off, and that's all there is to say. So this is my 52-inch Moss WF series. Very nice fan, and again, apart from the slow high speed, there's pretty much nothing negative to say about this fan. The blades are well aligned, it moves good air, doesn't wobble very much. Came 100% complete, so yeah, and again, that might just be natural for these fans, and I might just be unaware of that, so you can comment below if you know, like, if it's like typical for these fans to spin slow like that, or if it potentially has something wrong with the capacitor. Well, anyways, that's all. Thanks for watching, and I'll stop the recording once it stops spinning, I guess. Okay, bye.